Part 3. Field managers are realizing new efficiencies leveraging their network of supplier contacts. They're updating back-end systems with information about new products directly from their mobile devices. The latest change request is that they'd like to be able to augment their new product information with photos of the new products as well as update existing photos in the back-end systems. Implementing that change request means changing our product edit screen. So we'll click into our product edit screen, scroll down, and add a new row. And in that new row we are going to insert this upload widget. Will let us select a file from the local file system on the mobile device, but also on a mobile device it will give us the opportunity to not just select a file from the local file system, but select it from the camera or the photo library on the mobile device. We need to change the method on our Save button from AJAX Submit to Submit, and then go modify the logic of the save action. We're going to give ourselves a little bit more room to work with. And this destination is actually not going to be the product list anymore, but the product show screen. So we're going to change that destination to product show. Pass it the product ID. And now let's update the action. First thing we do is add a decision point here to check and make sure that our upload widget isn't blank. So we go to the scope tree in our expression editor and scroll down to our file upload widget that we just added to the screen itself, and we're going to check the file name, and we're going to say, is it blank? Yes or no. If it's not blank, we are going to run a query to see if that product picture already exists. And we'll add a parameter to this query. We don't need these. And adding our parameter, we're going to search for product picture by product ID. And notice that by adhering to sensible and intuitive naming conventions, the studio here is able to automatically identify the data type of my product ID. And we will pass the create or update product ID as our parameter. And because oftentimes when we take pictures on our smartphones we get large photo files, we are going to reference a utility that was created in our integration SDK. If I wanted to see the code that was behind that, I could actually right-click on that and open that extension in our integration SDK. But I don't have to understand the intricacies of the Java or the C# code that's going on behind the scenes there. I just use the visual modeling element that is exposed within that extension. And we'll join that to our flow, and the source of that is going to be the content of our upload widget, and we'll give it some dimensions. And we don't want it to be any bigger than 200 by 300, at least not on our mobile device. We'll make some assignments. Now we're going to take the contents of that file upload widget and create a new product picture record. So let's complete our flow here. We'll fill out those assignments in a moment. We'll use our create or update product picture method that was generated for us automatically by the scaffold. And we will join these and complete our flow and make our assignments. And what we want to do is assign the record that was returned by that query, the values of our product upload widgets. We will assign our product picture to be the content of the upload widget. The file name will be the file name associated with the upload widget, as will the file type. And the source of our create or update product picture action is going to be that record that was queried that we augmented with the data from our file upload widget. And now we have, once again, a publishable application. So let's go back to our product edit screen, and we will publish this. Uploading the visual model to the platform, compiling it into optimized C#.net, updating the database with any DDL scripts that need to occur, and publishing the new components of the web application out to, in this case, IIS. Now let's launch our application. There's a supplier list screen. We'll go to our product catalog, and let's choose Alice Mutton. There's the picture of our mutton. We will edit this, scroll down to the upload widget, which obviously we can't choose the camera from here because this is the browser simulator. But if you were using this application from your smartphone, when you click this button, you would have the opportunity to choose something from the local file system or to take a picture. So we're just going to choose something from the local file system. We're going to choose koala because everyone knows koala is the new mutton. And we're going to click Save. And there is the picture of the new mutton. In just a couple of minutes, we were able to add the ability to not just augment existing product pictures in the backend supplier database, but also upload new product photos directly from the mobile device.